Welcome, here I've got Asus ROG Phone 2 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it, because the Asus device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. We can do it by using the settings bar and just simply slide to the left to the slow mo here. And here we can start recording by using this big red button. We can also change the speed of the slow motion by tapping on this button at the center here, and as you can see we can pick from 240 fps, 120 fps and 480 fps. So for now I'm going to pick 120 fps to show you how it works, and let me start recording. And stop. And now let's go here to the preview to show you the video. And this is our video in the gallery, so play. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. This is how it works here. We can also adjust the speed and the beginning and the end of the slow motion here in the gallery, so we can manage this easily also. So this is how it works. We can save this here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.